Alright, I gotta get back to work. Putting some old skateboards together out of random stuff I had in my garage. Old trucks, wheels, boards. We're just gonna Frankenstein them. Pack them up and take them to Bora Bora! What are we doing?
We're going to see the shark feeding. Lemon shark, black tips.
What do they eat?
They eat the fish, cat fed the fish to feed them. That's what Patty's going on.
Are you gonna go see some sharks?
Try it.
Good luck.
Enjoy.
Let's go see some sharks. Yeah, I'm not into that. Not about shark diving. This shit is nuts.
Yeah. Next is really the stingray. Everybody does stingray and sharks. And then you got more shark in here.
Really? Let me ask you a question. Can you drink a beer?
Yes, my friend. I can drink beer, drink again. No problem.
I got a special gift just for you.
Okay, my friend. One cerveza, por favor.
How do you say beer?
Dinano. Dinano.
Anano. First the stingray.
Yeah, we're going to do the stingray.
Wow, look at all these stingrays.
Feed these guys.
It's out here. Bora Bora Lagoon. Oh, that's the stingray right there. That's a sick swimming suit.
It's a wetsuit.
I think it's time for a beer. Rapa,
Yes.
you want this?
No.
This is my beer. I make it at home. Special gift. Ready?
Beer, the best beer in the world.
The best beer in the world.
Cheers. The best taste in America.
Cheers, Rapa.
Cheers.
Stingray and beers.
Now, my friend, we go to see the mother eel. Fish time.
Island time. What's special about this place?
All the different fish we have in Bora Bora. Even barracuda and mother eel. Oh, they don't eat people. Today, I don't know, but normally they don't eat people. This is the best.
That is the best. What do we do now?
Now we're going home.
That's it? Game over?
Yeah, we came over.
Thank you for an awesome day. Right now we're going to show you how to make an island drink out of a coconut. All right, now that we got our coconuts, all of our coconut juice, what do we do?
We're gonna scrape some coconut, scrape it up. We're gonna add some coconut water. Pineapple juice. Ananas.
Tahitian rum. Secret ingredient.
Some citrus flavor. Sweeten it up. Brown sugar. Voila.
That's how you make a rum and coconut at 8 a.m. on island time.
Manuia.
Manuia. Breakfast is served. I totally think we should go do tricks off that bridge. This could get me really good at skating stairs again. Alright, let's really go skate. I just got to the Bora Bora skate park. A few years ago, Woodward donated a bunch of ramps to the island, developed a skate park. One thing I don't think they really have is a bunch of skateboards. There's no skate shops, not really a skate scene, so I brought a bunch of skateboard decks from my garage. We're just gonna see if we can get some locals out here to drop in and do some ollies for the first time in their life. What's up, bud? You wanna skate? Wanna try?
Go for the skate.
Pick one. Yeah, take it. Let's see what you got. Oh, that was sick. First lesson. This foot, here, push. You got that? This one. No Mongo. That's better. Yeah. Rapa, can you ask him if he's goofy or regular? He's Mongo for now. It looks good though. We're gonna let you get away with Mongo today. Have you done this before?
2 times in my life.
Here's number 3. See what you got. Squat. You wanna try to skateboard? You just try it? Come on, check it out. There you go. Barefoot. Yeah! You got the ramps? No way, you got the ramps. Oh! Oh! You got that? No, you don't want to try. Next time I come back, you'll be able to do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
try this?
You got it? Maybe that one first.
Can you learn?
You need help?
Yes.
Check it out. What you want to do is give it a little push. And just like that. Oh! First try. Step 2 is transition. Do this one. Put your foot there and lean forward a little bit. A little bit forward. Forward. Put your weight on the front foot. You can do this. One more time. Oh, you all right? You lean back just a little too much. Oh, you're going too much like this. Aim your foot there. Oh. Wait, hold on. Look at this guy. That's one way to do it. Oh, you good? Yes. You're gonna get the drop in next time. She skated like a wave in the ocean.
Like a wave.
Oh, you can ollie.
What's the first step?
Your first step is getting your foot in the center, your back foot position on the tail. It's just, it's easier with shoes. Oh! First ollie ever.
I did.
That was it. You're a natural. Yeah, that's a first aid trick for sure. That's it, Bora Bora Island. Had a great trip. Thanks Rappa and Pat for their hospitalities. Until next time. Bora Bora! Dude's forking people up. You got forked up, my G.